Welcome back to our new defense. Today we are going to talk about Vivo phone lock setting. In this video guys, we will talk about how to set pattern in Vivo phone guys. In this video guys, I will tell you how to set pattern in Vivo phone. Today I will tell you guys. We will talk about it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you are new my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. So guys, we will on it. Then guys, click on security. The security setting guys, you can see password, fingerprint and face. Click here. Then guys, you can see screen lock. Click here. Click on pattern. So guys, now we will have to draw any no pattern. So guys, we will draw example. So guys, I am take this L. Next. Confirm. Done. So guys, now let's see. You can see now I have pattern in my Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set pattern in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you want guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.